one that's quick to get a buzz. No cap, I'm the one that really know the plug. No cap, if you hatin', I'm the one that don't care. No cap, I'm the only one who slay that pink care. No cap, they be talking about it, but I be living it. No cap, they think I'm listening, but I ain't hearing it. No cap, they be talking about it, but I be living it. No cap, they think I'm listening, but I ain't hearing it. No cap, ride it with me, then you rock it with me. I'm turning up, got a squad with me. Yeah, the city knowing my name. I'm taking over the Hall of Fame. BT Awards, got my name on a platter. All deuces up, I'm coming up the ladder. It's one thing that really to him. You hate on me, then it really don't matter. No, you can compare me to another rapper that's an R&B. If you wanna be, that's a felony. My telepathy is ahead of me, and that's one thing that you can't say. I seen if you try.
What's up, LL Squad? So today we are cleaning up the house. Well, Grandma's cleaning up the house, and we decided to take the dogs, all three of the dogs, to the park. Now, y'all, I don't know how this is gonna work because we've never done this before. And say, hey, what's up, Lamont?
What's up?
Yep. So I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna try our best to make it happen. Okay, so PJ, you get out, and we got Egypt in the back. We got Domino and Shiloh. Yes, indeed. Okay, so I'm gonna let them out. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Get Domino, TJ. Get Domino. Get his leash. Get it from the front, baby. Say what's up to LL Squad. Okay, so you need to show me that you know how to handle Shiloh. He the easiest one, Maya. She been begging. I never get to walk the dogs. Oh, why you don't trust me with the dogs? So now y'all gonna get to walk the dogs. All right, so let me get Egypt out. She the handful, y'all. Hold on, Egypt. Hold on, Egypt, stop, Egypt. See, she the handful right here. What? He on you. You pay attention, Maya. You just standing there. Oh no, but you want to walk the dogs. You ready to walk the dogs though? See, Maya talk a lot of junk. And no, you pee on the $300 boots. Are you kidding me? Maya, you gotta pay attention, man. You just standing there. Egypt, stop. Egypt is the wild one. Okay, well, we'll see how this gonna work out, because I can barely record with her. Look at it. Egypt. Chill out. Egypt. Chill out. Come here. I was gonna leave you home, but I'm gonna give you a chance to do right. Egypt, stop. Stop pulling. Egypt, stop. Go pee. Egypt. Okay, I gotta go, because she is not cooperating. Okay, y'all. Yeah, Egypt's still in here for Egypt. Egypt. Why you so bad, Egypt? Egypt, why are you so bad? Huh? You got Domino and Charlotte, they over there being good. Look at her. She just acting up. She don't even want to just walk and relax. She want to jump. She want to pull. She trying to get the other dogs. See? And they just living their best life. PJ need to tie his damn shoes. Lord Jesus, help me. But overall, y'all doing good with the dogs. Good job. Egypt, stop. Maya, you coming too close. You need to walk over there. Can't believe Shiloh peed on her $300 damn freaking custom UGG boots. I'm mad about that. I got those boots when I went to LA. Custom made with those patches and everything on it. I'm mad about that. Here, Egypt, sit down. Sit. Egypt. 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 See, she just completely and totally like focused on the other dogs. That's all she want to do. All she trying to do is get to them. She ain't even thinking about herself. That's why we all the way over here. Egypt. Egypt, what you doing? How's it going, Lamont? I see Domino being good for you. Wait, come here. Egypt. Egypt, stop. Just walk. Just walk. All you gotta do is walk. Oh my God. She is such a handful, y'all. She done hurt my arm. Egypt, she's so wild. Oh, Jesus. This is a nice little park, y'all. I'm trying to show y'all. If Egypt, stop pulling me. Stop. Damn. Oh my God. This dog is a freaking handful. I didn't even want to take her. Seriously. I ain't got time for that. She better get her ass whooped. Sure. I ain't got time for all that yelling and screaming. What is this? Gaga Ballroom. Oh. PJ, go over there. Go over there. That's interesting. Yep. All right. Yeah. This park got everything. Everything except for a little pool. We got a little baseball field. Everything. Okay. Egypt, stop. It's nice and peaceful out here. We the only ones here. Okay. I'm gonna sit right here with some beef. Whew. Let's see. Y'all can sit on the other side of the table. Whew. All right, Edith, sit down. You are a beautiful dog, even though you're a pain in the neck. Look at her. Look at her, y'all. I can't even hardly record. Sit down. And look, I got the chain. She got a leash, a harness. Well, actually, no, a collar, a harness, and 2 leashes. And she's still bad. You still bad, Egypt. You bad. Egypt. Egypt. Why are you so bad, Egypt? Egypt. Egypt. Huh? Why are you so bad, Egypt? Why are you so bad, Egypt? Look at the LL squad and tell them why you bad. Look at Domino over there. He chilling. Come here. Sit. Sit, Egypt. You know, mommy love you. Yes, I do. Yes, mommy loves you. Sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Yes, finally everybody can see your face. You so bad. Yeah.
Can we have lunch?
She's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful doggy.
Mommy, we have lunch.
How?
The lunch is in the car.
Okay, so how? You gonna go get it?
Yes.
You gonna take Shiloh with you?
Yes.
Okay, that's the only way it's gonna happen.
Open the car.
It's already open.
Okay. Come on, buddy.
Egypt, look at her. Look at her trying to get Shiloh under the table. Yeah, we're trying to have a picnic in the park, guys. Egypt, what are you doing? Hey, Lamont. Yeah, you just lay down, Egypt. See how she's trying to go under the table to get to Domino? She's so bad. Just stop it. I need to get you one of them little zap things. That damn Lamaya, she always thinking about her stomach. She the greediest one out of everybody. Comment down below, who's the greedy one in your family? Who's the one that's always eating all the food? As soon as they wake up in the morning, the first thing on their mind is what they're going to eat. Who is that in your family? Our family is definitely Maya. And you know what's funny, y'all? When she was born, she was only 4 pounds. I was so nervous. Said, oh my God, my baby's so little. She came out the womb greedy, though. She ain't never have a problem eating. Yep, I washed and conditioned her hair, so it's twisted up right now. And today we got a little fashion show that I'm going to take y'all to. We're trying to get back at it in Georgia. We're trying to open back up. Egypt, stop. You see her?
Can we tie him up so we can eat in peace?
I don't know if that's going to work, Lamaya. Let me try it with Egypt. Hold on. Yeah, I ain't going to be able to tie you. How? To the table. It's got to be nailed down good. What? This Egypt strong, y'all. I don't want to tie it to the table. Don't try it without me. Just look. See? That's what you want to do. We're just going to take turns. Maya, you eat first. Since you so starving. Here. Sit down. Cause I can't put her on this table because Egypt's strong, y'all. She'll knock over this whole table.
I tied him together.
Shiloh different.
He's yours now.
Just put it to the side.
I'm taking a purple juice.
But Maya made a sandwich the other day, y'all. It had so much freaking mayonnaise on it. It was crazy. But Maya getting good at making lunches, though. Maya made the whole family lunch. So, hold on, y'all. Let me try it, though. Let me try to see if I can put Egypt up. What's up, LL Squad? So, tying Egypt to the chair worked for like 2 minutes. Then she damn near escaped by taking off her collar. Maya shared the grapes. I told you she's so greedy. Share. Yep, and I'm here with Egypt. Look. And she go right here. She's so bad. I can't even sit down and enjoy my lunch. Now, my mother just called. She reminded me that this is Egypt's first time at the park. She only 6 months old, guys. So I got to work with her. But she's not being like that. She's only being bad because of the other dog. She's trying to get to the other dogs. That's what it is. Woo. You ain't, all this movement you did, you ain't even went pee. You could at least go pee while we out here. So what you got in your lunch, Maya?
Wait, I'm singing a song to reveal the message.
See, that's what she's trying to do. That's what she want to do. Kiss him. Kiss him. And see, Shiloh don't like that. Hey, PJ. Ooh, what's in your lunchbox? Maya just got an attitude because I call her greedy, but the truth is the truth. She is greedy. What you got in your lunchbox, PJ?
Mommy, nippy.
Sandwich and what else? What's that you eating? Granola bar, and that's my trail mix. And juice, okay.
Oh, girl, just banana.
And yogurt, that's right. And that's my sandwich. Okay, put mine back. All right. She is her father's child. That's all I can say about that.
It's revealing a message. Mind blown. This is mind blown. It revealed the message. Can you see that? It says mind blown.
The yogurt trolls
It
edition.
says the country life. Sing your favorite song into the tube. Then eat your yogurt to see what Danielle thinks. She said mind blown. They probably just wrote that there and then filled the tube up and then sealed it.
And you just looking at somebody to jump on. That's all you doing, Egypt. She is just off the chain. All right, come on. Let's wrap this picnic up.
What? We just got here. Like 5 minutes ago. And we're eating.
You're eating.
We're just eating too.
All right, well, y'all finish up eating. I'm going to bring Egypt to the car. And we're going to get ready to go.
It worked for me too.
Yeah, see? And that's the truth. Charlotte was a good one. Charlotte was a good one. Charlotte the best one to me. The most well-behaved doggy we have is Shiloh. Domino was second. All right, I'll give y'all 5 minutes. Yeah, but too bad I'm not even letting the kids play on none of the stuff because of Corona. Why are you so bad, Egypt? Huh, you ruined our picnic in the park. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself, Egypt? She is a beautiful dog, though. She's just a baby. Baby's gotta learn. I should have left you at home at Grandma Faye. That's what I should have did. But she gave me this look, y'all, when I had Domino and Shiloh in the car. She gave me this look like, please take me, mommy. Don't leave me, mommy. And now you want to be bad. Okay. So you know what, guys? I'm gonna give the phone to Maya so she can record the rest of their lunch. Good.
This is... Ew, did somebody fart? Somebody went doo-doo. But anyways, continuing on with my lunch. Great. Half a brownie. And that's Mom. She's struggling over there. And this is me. Like my choker. Ew. Mint juice. Excuse me. Hey! PJ! Ooh, we're leaving. No, it's your fault that we have to leave. Shut up. Shush. Guys, you gotta have to sit right there. We're packing up. We're leaving. Get mommy juice, get your juice. Let's go. No, I'm getting the phone. Because you're going to drop it. And mommy told me to hold it. Shiloh, stay. Here, take the phone.
Huh, y'all seen that? Well, it's the ride home. Look who in the front seat. Wouldn't listen. Okay, seen another dog and jumped away from PJ. Okay, and ran off. I had to damn near chase him, put his collar back on. Then, yeah, everybody mad. Yeah, I'm mad. Guess what? I got a new bracelet for my collection. The Ebony Rose collection, y'all, that I launched this week. And brand new bracelet. Egypt broke it. How did she break it? Jumping on me. And I think she broke the ring, too. I am just like too done right now. To everybody, I'm driving. See, I'm driving. I'm on 2 wheels getting these little mutts back home. I'm too pissed, okay? Too pissed. Egypt ruined the picnic because she don't want to sit still. Okay? I don't even know if y'all can see it. Y'all can see her back there. But, yeah. Then she tried to jump out the car. just too much. Just too much. So I guess we not equipped for picnics in the park at the moment. Crazy life, y'all. Crazy life. Well, thank y'all for attempting to be entertained by our craziness. Oh my gosh. Please subscribe to our channel, y'all. Subscribe. Hit the notification bells. And we will see you guys on the next video. Domino, you know you wrong. PJ supposed to be in the front seat. You done took over. Peace, guys.